create this one, first we need to have one Azure account, guys. Okay, so either it can be free or paid, so not a problem. If you have free Azure account or free paid account, so both of them not a problem. So here, here you will be finding Microsoft Entra ID. Otherwise, you can type here Microsoft Entra ID. Okay, so first we need to open this. Okay, here we need to create one user, guys. So how to create Gopi? Open this Microsoft Entra ID service, and here click on add. So what you want to create? Do you want to create any app registration or enterprise application or group or something? No. So I want to create one new user. Create new user, guys. Click on this. So you can give anything. Okay, so here this one automatically comes from your Azure account. So whatever the Azure account you have, right? Microsoft Azure account. So it comes with this. No need to fill this. By default, it will be there. Just you need to write something like Microsoft Fabric or something you have to write. Whatever you would like, you can give. Test area, Fabric test or something you can write. Okay, so this name is not available. What I will write now? My MS Fabric Gopi. Okay, so this is unique. This is available. Okay, so here here what we can do. So here it will generate. Whenever you click on auto generate password, the password will be automatically generated. What I will be doing now, first I will copy this one. So, and I will copy this password also. Okay, so username and password. This username from free account, free Azure account or paid Azure account. So this one you will be giving whatever the name you want to write, that use this one. So review and create. Required information is missing or not valid, basics or something. Okay, 1 minute. What is the problem? Let's see. Account enabled, auto generate. This is okay. Password got changed. So password changed, guys. Okay, so this one. Review and create. Validation failed. Required information, something is missing, guys. Okay, here we have given. And here also, display name, what name you want. This one is mandatory. Gopi Fabric. So what is the display name? Gopi Fabric. Okay, so now let's review and create. Yeah, so we have successfully created this one. Okay, good. So now needed, guys, from Azure free account, what we needed, just the creation of this user is required, that we did. Okay, so that username I copied and password also automatically generated password I copied. Now open this one, Fabric, otherwise MS Fabric. Okay, type this one. Yeah, so here you will be getting one link, right? The first link, Microsoft Fabric. So app.fabric.microsoft.com. Click on this one. Okay, so here I already have some other account, but I don't want to use it. I want to use new one, whatever we created just now, right? So I want to show you. Click on this, use this one. Second option, this will be your username, password, whatever the password it generated, right? Same password we need to use. Your account has been locked. Contact your support team, then try again. Why it is locked? Why it is locked? Okay, guys, so whenever you click on this now, I showed you, right? So this is the thing you need to do. So just create from Microsoft Azure and copy this and this one, both username and password. Whenever you click on this, so it will be created. Okay, I don't know what was the reason, so I will rectify this one. You won't get this one because I already created. You won't get this error, but I don't know because I had created already. Today only I created few minutes back. That's why maybe it was locked. So what I will be doing, this one I created few minutes back, that I will be opening. Whenever you open now, so same you will be observing. Same things will be there. Yeah. Guys, you can see here. So whenever you create free account, so create user from Microsoft Azure and enter those details, username and password. Whenever you open this, so it will be there. You can see trials activated. How many days left? 59 days, because this is first day, right? So still I have 59. So it is 2 months free. So you can use it for 2 months freely, guys. Okay. So this is very easy. So within 2 or 3 minutes you can create. So open free Azure account or paid account, whatever you feel. So go to Microsoft Entra ID, create one user, Microsoft Entra ID, and create one user. Click on this one, create one user. Okay, copy the username, copy the password, and enter here. Okay, so you will be logging into this. Okay, so here it will be asking you. So here you can have one option. So whenever you click on this, here you will be getting, before this you will be getting one option, free account. So click on this one, your trial will be started. Whenever you want to stop using this, you can cancel this trial scope, guys. Okay, it is free, they won't charge you single penny also, but if you want to cancel, you can click on this one. Gopi, what is available in this? You can see, guys. Okay, so here big data analytics, okay, medallion architecture, event analytics, everything you can see. Here you can see, guys, you can create multiple workspaces. If you open ADF or Databricks or something, you can create only one workspace. You will be having only one workspace. So you cannot create multiple workspaces. But in real-time projects, you will be having test ADF, UAT ADF, pre-prod ADF, prod, like that 5 to 6 environments we will be having. But there you need to create 5 to 6 separate services. But in Microsoft Fabric, you can create multiple for test environment. Other workspace can be for UAT environment, single fabric. That is what. So if you want to create, click on this one. Okay. So if you want to create, you can create new workspace from here. Whatever the name you want, you can give. So like test environment, test fabric, you can create. Okay. So that much flexibility we have. No need to create 5 or 6 different workspaces differently. In single fabric, you can create multiple workspaces. Okay, Gopi. So if I open workspace, what I can find? Okay, so let me open my workspace. Whenever you click on this, so here, so I want to create new item. So what I can do, Gopi, guys, you can see here, you can see, Gopi, I want to perform some adding some rows or unioning 2 or 3 tables. I want to add extra columns. Everything you can perform using Dataflow Gen 2. So using this Dataflow Gen 2, whatever Power BI work, you can perform using this Dataflow Gen 2. Whenever you enroll now, I will show you how to create Power BI works and all. And here you can see notebooks. So if you want to perform related to PySpark coding or related to data transformation or AM and ML work, you can create Databricks, whatever the Databricks work you want to do using Azure Databricks, that you can perform with this notebook. Whatever you are performing with Azure Data Factory, so that pipelines and all you can create from here. Okay, so here, whatever you are doing data flows, right? In the ADF, you will be having data flows and all. So data transformation, union, filter, so select, everything you can do from Dataflow Gen 2. Okay, so and here we have many things. So you can connect with any services, guys. You can connect with any Cosmos, you can connect with Cosmos DB, you can connect with event schemas, you can connect with event house, okay, and you can connect with anything, guys. So it can be Amazon S3 bucket, it can be Amazon Web Services, all the services. You can connect with Google Cloud Storage, you can connect with Snowflake, you can connect with anything, and you can perform the work here. Okay, so that much flexibility we have here. Okay, so please enroll to this course, guys. I will be discussing how to do it and how to master of this fabric. I will be discussing. Okay, so this is what I want to discuss with you. Thank you.